Kevin has always supported Tesla. The stock investor predicted earlier this year that the price of Tesla stock will reach $3,000 per share in 2024. He thinks that even if the stock market seems to have overvalued everything, Tesla still has a propensity to outperform. Hello everyone and welcome back to the Tesla stock page. This year has been quite the roller coaster for many manufacturers of electric vehicles, and Tesla is no exception. Although some stock investors are still enthusiastic on Tesla, others think that selling their shares now might just protect them from any unforeseen future stock fall. When investors sell their shares, it may be because they have become pessimistic about the stock, but it may also not be. Kevin, a Tesla shareholder, recently tweeted that he will be selling his Tesla stock for a variety of factors. Why did Kevin decide to do this? Could the stock investor's view of Tesla have changed? Well, before we begin, we're about to find out. To keep up with everything happening with Tesla American Financial Analysis and YouTube, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and sound the notification bell if you enjoy this kind of content. The majority of Kevin's Tesla shares will be sold within the next 6 months, he just revealed on Twitter. Kevin claims that he is not in any way bullish on Tesla and is making this decision instead for personal reasons. It is quite odd that Kevin would wish to sell his Tesla shares as he has long been a supporter of the company. The news has left many people wondering what specifically might have prompted the stock analyst eager to give up his shares. This is also true for many Tesla devotees who know Kevin as a strong Tesla admirer. Kevin might be hinting at a risky future for Tesla. To learn more, you should remain to the end. Sharing the information on Twitter, Kevin said that he is launching his own business, househack.com, and that he will fund it with the proceeds from the sale of his Tesla stock. Since Kevin has long been an enthusiast for the stock market and an experienced stock investor who has demonstrated a keen interest in the field of investing, it is only natural that he would want to pursue his passion in greater depth. Although this may sound unexpected and maybe slightly bearish, what was not anticipated was that he would sell his Tesla shares for this. When asked if he still believes Tesla would succeed, Kevin clipped the air. The investor claims that his choice is not motivated by doubt. Elon Musk stated that he will continue to be a fan and a shareholder in Tesla. Kevin said earlier this year that his stock portfolio includes more than 50% of Tesla. This demonstrates that, despite his intentions to sell his shares, the analysis has high hopes for Tesla. Kevin has always been a huge Tesla supporter, and despite the automaker's recent 3-for-1 stock split, it is clear that he still is. The split can be very advantageous to both the firm and investors because it's normal for companies to beat the S&P 500 during stock splits and the period after them, according to Kevin, who predicts very high prices for Tesla stock. He claimed to be bullish on the stock and to view the split as a chance to acquire more Tesla shares. Even though that isn't the case right now, many people think it may be a situation that can't be avoided. The stock investor anticipated Tesla's stock price would reach $3,000 per share per stock split value in 2024 based on Kevin Tesla's future earnings, which are far more attainable than most tech stock estimates and extremely high valuations in 2020. If accurate, this price estimate would have brought in a staggering amount of money for Kevin. If he had continued in the same vein, Kevin would have explained after this year's Tesla Cyber Rodeo why he believes Tesla would surpass the $10 trillion market cap within the next 10 years. He claims that Tesla manufactures robots, making it the market leader in this sector. This is something you should believe because Tesla has proven to be very skilled at creating amazing advancements with AI. Elon Musk recently revealed on Twitter that the business may have the prototype of its humanoid robot ready by the 30th of September, raising the possibility that the long-awaited Tesla bot will be released later this year. After announcing that Tesla's AI Day had been moved to the same day in September from its original date of August 19 this year in January, Musk revealed this on Twitter. Musk claimed that Tesla is pushing Optimus humanoid robot product development over other items in 2022. According to him, the company plans to begin producing the robot in 2023. In addition to the Tesla bot, a number of other exciting improvements from Tesla are forthcoming, including the robo-taxi semi-truck, Dojo, a Tesla supercomputer, as well as numerous other exciting updates on fully autonomous vehicles are all projects that Kevin is working on, and virtually every Tesla bull is very bullish about them. What do you think about these initiatives? Can they significantly impact the price of Tesla's stock? Tell us in the comments section below. The announcement of the 5 to 10 new gigafactories that will open in the next 2 years, according to Kevin, will be the new game changer for Tesla. Tesla can add a copy and paste technology, he claimed, to replicate more factories. Globally, This is likely to occur because Musk has stated that Tesla is aiming to produce 20 million electric vehicles by 2030. In light of this, Tesla may need to build 10 to 12 additional gigafactories to meet its target. Tesla may be anticipating even much more than what the study said, as this is well beyond what Kevin had projected. Some people think that Tesla's vehicle company may produce 500,000 cars by the end of the year's fourth quarter thanks to current efforts to increase output in its gigafactories. As per a recent tweet by Troy Teslick, if Tesla's China factory maintains this value for each month in the fourth quarter, which will be highly unlikely, these deliveries may increase if there are no lockdowns. The facility made 78,000 deliveries in June, so delivering more than 100,000 cars in September will be a new record high. With only 200,000 more deliveries to make, Tesla's 3 other factories can cover this facility's capacity of up to 300,000 electric car deliveries in the fourth quarter. Supposing Tesla's from one factory delivers 140,000 cars, and both the Berlin and Texas factories deliver 30,000 cars each. Tesla recently kicked off the 2022 Model Y's customer deliveries from his Gigafactory in Texas, and his Shanghai factories produced more than 1 million electric cars. So far, if Tesla has been able to reach this predicted number of deliveries, it will be trailing behind top-rated car companies like Renault and Mercedes, and considering that deliveries are likely to increase in the last quarter, Tesla may eventually reach this milestone. So it's fair to say that as much as Kevin wants to sell his Tesla shares, he's still bullish on the stock. Also, he's not the first Tesla bull to sell his shares and still remain bullish on the stock. Tesla investors like Chalmers Palihapitiya and Cathie Wood have also sold their shares at some point in the past months. Even Elon Musk sold some of Tesla's shares in August. Despite being the CEO of the car company, the Tesla executives sold 7.92 million shares of the company, worth around $6.88 billion. He revealed that that was done to avoid an emergency sale of Tesla stock, just in case Twitter forces their deal to close and some equity partners don't come through. Although to an average investor, Kevin's decision to sell his Tesla shares may seem rather bearish. However, seeing that the sale is as a result of personal funding, we can believe otherwise. Also, Kevin has also got a lot of good things to say about Tesla in the past, so it's very unlikely that he's lost confidence in the stock, just like every other Tesla bull who sold their shares at one time or another. This could also be one sale that must be made, therefore investors may want to think twice before selling their shares. And just as Kevin himself had predicted, the stock may go even higher in the future based on Tesla's future potential. What do you think of Kevin selling his Tesla shares? Is he still optimistic about the company as he claimed? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and share. Click on the video on your screen to learn more about what Tesla has been up to recently. We'll see you there.